Good morning and welcome to Nanjing, China. My name is Josh and today we're going to be taking a look at a new firm here in Nanjing who is specializing in 3D printing. We're going to be seeing how they are taking this corn and turning it into this Moonlight. So we've just arrived here at Xinzhiyuan. This is one of Nanjing's most important technology business hubs. So it's just right here behind us. We're going to go take a look. Follow me. Hi, I'm Josh. Walking in, I saw some Moonlights. Would you mind kind of giving me a bit of an explanation about them?
Yeah, that's right. Is this?
Yeah, exactly. So I'm actually really interested in finding out how these are made. Would you mind walking me through the process?
Before we real printing, we need to start modeling and slicing on the computer.
Oh, okay.
So the first step is to upload statistics from NASA to the computer.
You know, I gotta say, watching this is actually pretty amazing. Seeing how they're putting data into the computer so that the printer knows what we want and seeing a physical product coming out the other side.
I can show you our workshop now.
Oh, that'd be great. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're now in the 3D printing factory, so let's go inside and take a look. So this factory is actually a lot smaller than you'd think. Far from the large traditional factories that you might be used to, this uses distributed manufacturing and relies on smart technology to get things done quicker and more efficiently than before. It really is quite interesting how much work goes into each one of these. Yolanda was telling me that for each prototype, the parameters are updated about 100 times to take into account environmental factors. Everything like humidity, wind, temperature can affect the structural integrity of these over time, so we need to take that into account for each and every product. Okay, so can you tell me what's the difference between a printer like this and other printers that are out on the market?
There is a stick angle between the Moonlight and the printing platform. It is made to print very hard. Many printers on the market do not make the big angle product like this. But with the self-developed printer, we can do it perfectly fine. I'll show you.
Okay, let's take a look. So this is the other company's Moonlight.
Yeah. This one is mine.
This is yours. Okay, yeah, so just like right off the bat, you can kind of see the differences in this area. Here it's just completely smooth, no real features here. Whereas here you can definitely see some craters and some mountains here. Otherwise, you can see that this one is a bit more rough. Right here, you can see lines across that aren't on this one, and these are actually made in the manufacturing process and aren't actually part of the moonscape itself. So one thing that many consumers might have worries about is sometimes Chinese electronic products don't have the needed certificates to be exported out so that we can trust that these things are going to last long and are safe. Now, if we take a look at this battery here, we can see that we have CE, FCC, UN 38.3 ROHS certification. This means that these can be exported out and we can trust the fact that they're going to last and that they're safe to use. In contrast, you can take a look at this light, and this light is from a competitor's, and we see nothing, no certification. We don't know who's made this or if it can be trusted to last or be a safe product. Do you think we could get involved in the printing process a little?
Yeah, I can teach you.
Okay. So where exactly does the corn go?
The bell is made from corn stalks. It's absolutely environment friendly. In the process of printing, materials is going to be heated and melted. So you can smell like it is natural. I'll show you how to work it. This is an SD card. You can put it into the machine.
Okay, so just over here. And here, and this one?
Press this one.
Okay.
And press
Here?
yeah.
Okay. And now it just goes?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's heated.
Okay, it's heating up right now.
It needs several seconds.
Okay, I understand. So right now it's just preparing the wire here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Between the temperature is up.
That's what that number, so it will get up to 230 degrees?
It's when it's around 230, it will work.
Okay. After the machine is done, it should look something like this, and at this point, it's almost ready to be sold on the market. So after the sphere is completed, it needs to come over here for some inspections. So the first one of these is the charging inspection. This is followed by a appearance inspection. Finally, they took a look at a brightness inspection. After the packaging process, they come over here and use computers to simulate the larger packing process to make sure that the container sizes are exactly correct. My experience today has been truly wonderful. From seeing these awesome machines to seeing the strict controls put in place to make sure that everything here works well, it's really given me a really great insight to this industry and the way it might be changing. Thank you so much for having me today, Yolanda.
See you next time.
Thank you so much. Goodbye. So we're finally done for today. I've learned so much about 3D printing. It's really been a great experience for me. And it's really given me a sight into what we could be seeing in the future, where producers can send in orders to factories. Factories can use their cell phones to send it to 3D printers, and the next day we can have products shipped right out to us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you next time.